Hey guys, here with another video. Here's some bad jammers. Pretty princess, I guess. She thinks we're weirdo, like pretending fun, being nice. That person is pretending to attack my best friend. And this Rosie guy is just like making a bunch of stuff. Double face. Hulk guy, what the heck? You a guy? The heck? Weird. Guy. It says guy. What the heck? Oh, guys, look at this. To get there. To get her. Look at that. To get her. I'm remembering chowder. Dirty little lawbreaker. Dirty little lawbreaker. By the way, guys, I have to go soon. By the way, I make a lot of videos because I like it. I just deleted that. Okay. Together. That's like what a boy would say. Together. Together. Guys, crap isn't a bad word. Crap isn't a bad word. It just means trash. It's not that bad. It's not that big of a deal. I said that like a few times. Up and very guys. I made that up. No, I didn't. How do you know, Sparkle? I am blocked. Pretty, pretty princess. Pretty, please. Let's see. I blocked her. What did I miss? I do not get annoyed. Silly. I don't, guys. Maybe she is. No, I'm not. I don't give a, I know, right? password. AJ is supposed to be, oh god, you're ruining it. Okay, I'm leaving you, weirdos. AJ is supposed to be fine. God, you're ruining. The birds will sing now. The birds will sing now. Cause she's gone. Yay for birds. Say hi to the world. Say hi to world. Are you recording again? Guys. Okay, God, I thought that was a boy. Okay, well, bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this bad Jamer day. Oh, here's the two. Bye. Bye, YouTubers. Bye. Bye. Have a good time. My brother says that a lot. Bye. Have a good time. Bye. 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 Okay, bye, guys.